Hello everyone, and welcome to the second part of the introduction video. In this video, we will get familiar with the Revit interface and how to deal with the different tabs and ribbons, toolbars available. Once you open Autodesk Revit, you will have models to your left side and families. If you have an already set project, then you can go ahead and click on Open. But in our case, we will be having a new project, a structural one. You can click on New. From New, it will ask you which template file you would like to use. The drop-down arrow here will show you all the different templates Revit provides. Construction, architectural, structural, again here. So the difference between this and that is that the first four templates are imperial, while the next ones are metric. In our case, we will be dealing with the metric structural template. If you are not able to find the template with the drop-down arrow here, please go to Browse. From Browse, go to Revit, Templates, then go to English, and from the English, search for Structural Analysis Default Metric. Double click, and OK. And there you have it. Your template, your project is ready to be constructed. Don't get overwhelmed with all these tabs and buttons all around. We will explain each and every point and the ones we require. At the top here is what we call the quick access toolbar. You have the print command, the save command, the 3D view. Those basically are used to have the dimensions between two references. This is between aligned dimensions. If you keep your mouse for a little time, it will show you a quick description on how to use this tab. Below the quick access toolbar, you have all these ribbons: architecture, structure, steel, precast, systems. For example, if your project is an architectural one, you'll click on architecture, and from there you will get to choose what component you need to build. As I told you here, we're dealing with components and not lines. You have walls, doors, windows, columns, roof, ceiling, floors. This is mostly for architects, but as us, we will be mainly using structure here. So here we have our beams, our structural walls, structural columns, floors, trusses, beam systems, the isolated footings, slabs, rebars, and all the components required to build a structural design. On the left here, you have properties. The properties shown are the view properties. Since we haven't clicked on any tab, the current properties are the view ones. So you have the view scale, the display model, the detail level, the visibility and graphics, etc. Under that, you have the project browser. In the project browser here, you get to navigate between different structural plans. You can go to your analytical model. You can look at the different elevations, create your legends, families, sheets, all sorts of things. Below here, this area is the view bar options. So this is for the visual style. You have the wide frame, the hidden lines, the shaded, the consistent colors, and the realistic. You have here the sun path, if you want to have the sun on or off, shades, shadows, all different sort of uh, view options to enhance the overall look and the overall design of your structure. Um, that's basically it. In the next video, we will begin our construction and I will explain how to start with your grid lines. Thank you.